Hi everyone! Louise Marshall here from RosterElf. Today we are looking at a handy feature that lets employees add themselves to unscheduled shifts while clocking in. This quick walkthrough will show you where to find the setting, how to switch it on for tablets and smartphones, and how to save your changes. How to access time and attendance settings. Click Settings in the top menu so you can open your account configuration options. Select Time and Attendance from the drop-down, which brings up all attendance-related tools in one place. How to enable unscheduled shifts on tablet time clock apps. Choose Unscheduled Shifts in the Time and Attendance pop-up to view the tablet controls. Click Allow employees to add unscheduled shifts on tablet time clock apps so staff can clock into a new shift on the tablet, even if they were not rostered. Check that the toggle turns green, confirming the feature is now active. How to enable unscheduled shifts on smartphone apps. Stay in the Unscheduled Shifts section and click Allow employees to add unscheduled shifts on smartphone apps so team members can add shifts straight from their phones. Wait for the toggle to turn green, which shows the setting has been applied successfully. How to finalize your settings. Click Save at the bottom of the pop-up to lock in all your changes immediately. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, our support team is always ready to assist. Happy rostering, and have a great day.